And it's nearly done, and we have deployed the OVA. All right, so let me log into the OVA as it spins up. All right, let me SSH onto it, I think. Then it'll be easier to copy this. So this is my startup script to connect the Access connector into my tenancy. I'll just hit OK on that. I'm going to apply the settings. We'll keep an eye on that and let it do its thing. All right, while that is happening, I'm going to shut down my other connector. So I don't need two connectors. I'm just going to hard kill it. Brilliant. All right, let's go back to our dashboard. And I'll disable Groki's house connector. Actually, I need to just delete it. See you later. Oh yes, I do need to delete that. All right, let me just delete. That's gone. Connector 2 is now available. Look at that. All right, let me just test out my apps again. This is the big test. And my ClearPass server still works. The reason I was doing this is I just set up an RDP session. I don't know if it's going to work, but let's test this out. Let's just go connect. Always the joys of a live demo. Hey, look at that. My domain controller is up and running. Beautiful. All right, that is as easy as deploying an SSE connector. Look at that.